Namaste. Hello, my name is Eva and I'm from the Better Back program. I've got lots of clients who suffer from lower back pain. When they have to do an exercise that involves forward bending, they say they can't do it because they have lower back pain or they have tight hamstrings. Usually I give them an exercise that retrains hip hinging and that helps them long term. So if it's something of interest to you, just try it out. To do the hip hinging, you need to kneel. Sometimes the floor might be too hard for your knees, so you just place a blanket or a towel down to protect your knees. But if you don't need it, you don't need to use it. For the hip hinging, you want to have your fingertips right where the leg meets the hip in that crease, and with a neutral spine, lifting the chest up, hinge forward and then coming back up. Hinge forward, coming back up, squeeze the butt. Hinge forward and coming back up and squeezing the butt. Hinge forward, coming up and squeezing the butt. So you want to have your back straight with a neutral curve in your lower back. This is a very good exercise for your back and also for your glutes, as both areas need to be strengthened if you have lower back pain. If you can do this well and you don't feel any discomfort anymore, you can go to the next step. Standing up with feet parallel, bending the knees so you can just see your toes, and then have your fingertips again where the leg meets the hip in that crease. And then hinge forward, keeping your back straight, looking straight ahead with your sternum lifted, and come back up. And again, hinge forward and come back up. As you can see, my spine doesn't change. I don't round forward, but I keep my back nice and straight. And bend forward and come back up. Forward and come back up. This is also a very good exercise for your thighs, and it will help you as well for your lower back pain. So if you enjoyed this exercise, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Namaste.